Most people shopping for a subcompact crossover right now are settling, overpaying for mediocre fuel economy, bare-bones safety equipment, and cabins that felt outdated the moment they left the factory. If you're tired of being asked to choose between affordability and actually getting what you paid for, the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is about to change the conversation entirely. While most rivals in this class are charging extra just to unlock basic safety features and modern tech, this Toyota is arriving with all of its standard and a hybrid powertrain that's hitting 42 miles per gallon combined on top of everything else. So stay with us as we break down 6 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is a genius move. Number 6. Excellent fuel economy with the hybrid. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors, arriving at a combined output of 196 horsepower. Standard all-wheel drive is part of that package at no extra cost. The fuel economy numbers are where things get genuinely impressive. The EPA is rating this hybrid at 46 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway, landing at 42 combined. Think about what happens every time fuel prices spike. Drivers of conventional crossovers feel it immediately, every tank a little more painful than the last. That's exactly the kind of ongoing cost the Corolla Cross Hybrid is designed to eliminate. Driving 15,000 miles a year, the efficiency gap is putting hundreds of dollars back in your pocket annually. Not in theory, literally at every fill-up. Efficiency isn't the only advantage here either. The hybrid is noticeably quicker than the standard gas model, 7.3 seconds to 60 miles per hour versus a sluggish 9.2 for the base version. More power, more range, lower running costs. But saving money at the pump is only part of the picture, because what good is a fuel-efficient crossover if the cabin feels like it belongs a decade ago? That brings us straight to reason number 5. Number 5. Modern cabin. The interior of the Corolla Cross has been going through a real transformation. What was once a fairly basic utilitarian space has received meaningful upgrades, and the result is a cabin that feels considerably fresher and more current than before. The centerpiece of those updates is the new 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, replacing the outgoing 8-inch unit. The difference in day-to-day usability is immediate. Menus are easier to read, graphics are sharper, and moving through the system is far more natural. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. No cables, no adapters. Anyone who has spent time squinting at a small, laggy touchscreen mid-commute knows exactly how frustrating it gets. Toyota is addressing that directly, swapping in a larger display paired with a quicker, more intuitive interface that actually responds when you need it to. A redesigned center console is improving storage access, while a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is becoming available on select trims. Lower trims are keeping materials straightforward and functional, but the key upgrades, a larger display, a logical, updated layout, modern wireless connectivity, are targeting the areas that genuinely affect daily usability. That's honest, practical improvement. A fresh interior is certainly worth having, but there's something on this list that a lot of buyers overlook entirely, and it's one of the most important decisions you'll make when shopping in this segment. Number 4. Safety features. Here's something that tends to get lost when buyers are comparing window stickers: what's actually included as standard. Many crossovers at this price point ask you to option up for safety features that really should come as a given. Nobody should have to choose between staying within budget and keeping their family protected. The Corolla Cross is taking a different approach entirely. Every single trim level is going to come equipped with a full suite of driver assistance technology. That includes automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with accident avoidance, adaptive cruise control, road sign recognition, and automatic high beams. All of it standard, regardless of which trim you select. Rivals like the Hyundai Kona and Kia Seltos are making blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert optional on lower trims. Buyers who don't read the fine print end up spending extra, or simply going without. On the Corolla Cross, those concerns are already handled from the base model up, safety sorted. But there's still the question of whether this crossover can actually carry everything you need it to, and that's exactly where number 3 comes in. Number 3. Decent cargo area. Practicality has always been the Corolla Cross's strongest suit, and the cargo situation is a clear example of the vehicle delivering where it counts. The hybrid version is offering 22 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats. The standard gas model reaches up to 24 cubic feet depending on configuration. Compare that to the regular Corolla sedan, working with just 13 cubic feet in its trunk, or even the Corolla hatchback at 18. The Cross is delivering meaningfully more practical room without growing dramatically larger on the outside. Consider what it's actually like like trying to load a big weekend haul into a crossover that wasn't designed with real-world cargo in mind? Awkward angles, narrow liftgate openings, spaces that look generous until you're standing in a parking lot with a stroller and 4 bags of groceries. The wide, rectangular rear liftgate on the Corolla Cross is addressing exactly that friction. Loading bulky or oddly shaped items becomes considerably less of an ordeal. The rear seats fold to expand the cargo floor when needed, though they don't lie completely flat. A minor limitation worth noting if floor-level loading is a priority. For the realistic demands of everyday life, though, the Corolla Cross handles it without requiring a step up to something larger, more expensive, and less efficient. And speaking of comfort in everyday life, what's the ride actually like when you're behind the wheel? That's where number 2 comes in, and it might be the quality that keeps owners coming back to Toyota most reliably. Number 2, comfortable ride. Driving dynamics come up constantly when reviewing crossovers. The Corolla Cross is straightforward about where it stands. This is not a vehicle engineered to feel sporty, but what it is consistently delivering is a smooth and composed ride quality that suits the way most people actually drive. The suspension has been tuned toward comfort rather than agility. Road imperfections and rough patches are being absorbed without punishing occupants. Highway cruising is relaxed and unhurried. The steering is light and predictable, reducing fatigue in city traffic and on longer trips where constant corrections become tiresome. Long drives have a way of revealing exactly what a suspension is made of. Every sharp edge in the road, every uneven patch on the highway. The Corolla Cross is absorbing those without transmitting them into the cabin. That's not an accident. It's the result of suspension calibration that genuinely prioritizes daily comfort over chasing a sporty character that most buyers in this segment will never actually use. The hybrid variant carries a slightly sportier suspension tune compared to the gas version, but both share the same fundamental character: calm, stable, and easy to live with. A smooth ride is a great quality to have, but if the price doesn't make sense, none of it matters. And that's exactly what makes number 1 the most compelling argument on this entire list. Number 1, excellent value. Pricing in the subcompact crossover segment is competitive, and the Corolla Cross is going to sit right in the middle of the class. The gas version is launching at around $26,500 at the base, while the hybrid is starting at approximately $30,000. These are numbers that are reasonable on their face, but the real value story goes well beyond the sticker. Most competitors hold their better equipment back for mid and upper trims. Consider what that actually means when you sit down and compare real-world pricing. To get blind spot monitoring on a Honda HR-V, you're climbing into higher trims. To get a comparable hybrid at the Subaru Crosstrek, you're crossing $35,000. Toyota is going a different direction, putting the full safety suite across every model, features that rivals charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars extra to unlock. The Corolla Cross also includes 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, directly reducing early ownership costs. The powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. On the hybrid, battery and electric components are covered under a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty, one of the strongest coverage commitments in the segment and one that removes a significant layer of long-term financial risk. The 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is bringing together everything a practical crossover buyer actually needs: a hybrid powertrain that's returning 42 miles per gallon combined and cutting hundreds of dollars from your annual fuel bill, a cabin that's been genuinely refreshed with a larger touchscreen and modern connectivity, a full standard safety suite that rivals are still charging extra to unlock, cargo space that outpunches the Corolla sedan and hatchback by a significant margin, a composed and comfortable ride that holds up across all kinds of daily driving, and pricing that starts around $26,500 for the gas model. Moreover, all this comes backed by complimentary maintenance, a solid powertrain warranty, and a 10-year hybrid battery guarantee that removes a major layer of long-term financial risk. When you add all of that up, the case for waiting stops being a question and starts being the obvious move. The Corolla Cross is an excellent choice in the subcompact segment, but it's not the only one. If you're looking for something more rugged, more adventure-focused, you definitely want to check out our video about the key novelties on this year's Subaru Crosstrek. Famous for its unmatchable all-wheel drive system and adventure-ready spirit, the Crosstrek has just got one more major strength, in the form of a brand new hybrid setup that isn't just fuel-efficient, but also delivers plenty of power.